3 months ago, two employees at the same company had identical jobs. Today, one of them is unemployed, while the other one got a 40% salary hike with a promotion. But what's the difference between them? Just 13 words in an email from the CEO of the company that the promoted employee saw first. And the words were, this exact scenario is happening everywhere around the world right now, from small businesses to global corporations, from manufacturing to healthcare. No sector is immune. But it wasn't AI who took these jobs. It was the co-worker who mastered AI first. AI won't replace you. The people who use AI will replace you. The real question is not whether AI will take your job. It's whether you will be the person being replaced or the person replacing others. I'm not here to sell you some fantasy about AI. The threat is real. But what if I told you that just understanding three key principles can transform this biggest threat into your biggest opportunity of your life? What I am about to tell you will completely change how you see AI. It might just save your career. But first, let's acknowledge the reality most experts are afraid to tell you. Make no mistake, the numbers are concerning. According to research, AI could impact 40% of the total global jobs in the world right now. A recent study found out that 74% of professionals are already scared of AI replacing them. Goldman Sachs estimates that AI could replace the equivalent of 300 million full-time jobs. Entire categories like data entry, customer service, or basic content creation are being automated now. Let me be crystal clear. If your job involves repetitive tasks that follow clear patterns, you are in the danger zone. The next 2 minutes of this video contain the career-saving insight everyone is missing out. For every job AI eliminates, it creates nearly 2 new ones. By 2030, AI will create 170 million jobs while displacing only 92 million. But these aren't just jobs. They are better paying and higher skilled positions in data science, AI engineering and maintenance, or digital marketing 2.0, and human AI collaboration specialists, etc. But you need to make one critical mindset shift to capitalize on this opportunity. Stop seeing AI as your replacement and start seeing AI as your superpower. All the professionals who are integrating AI in their profession are doing the same thing. They stop fearing AI and start leveraging it. The professionals don't just use AI as a tool. They completely transform their identity around being AI power users. Here's your survival blueprint for the AI revolution. Master AI tools in your field. The average professional wastes 60% of their time on tasks AI can handle. This is not just inefficient, it's career suicide. Start with just one tool, completely master it, and then start with a new one. Keep adding up. Don't stop. Develop humanly unique skills that AI can't touch. Creativity, emotional intelligence, proper judgment, strategic thinking, and etc. These skills can't be replaced by AI, and they become your competitive advantage. The highest paid professionals in the AI era will be the ones who combine AI with these deeply human capabilities. Consider two sales professionals. One who just uses AI to generate leads. The other one does the same, but he reads emotional cues and navigates complex human relationships. Now tell me, who do you think will earn more? Who is more valuable to the company? Third, become the AI human bridge. The most important position in an organization. The highest paid professionals will be the ones who understand both the worlds. In every company, there's now a massive gap between what AI systems can do, what business leaders need, and what customers want. The person who can bridge the gap becomes irreplaceable. Target AI enhanced sectors, healthcare, agriculture, education, and maybe creative fields. They don't need AI instead of humans. They need humans who can use AI. For example, in healthcare, AI can diagnose routine conditions, but the human doctor provides judgment, empathy, and complex reasoning. In education, AI can personalize learning materials, but human teachers provide motivation, inspiration, and emotional support. The real question is, how can I position myself where AI enhances human work rather than replacing it? The AI revolution started yesterday, but your decision to adapt starts right now. The window of opportunity is still open, but it's closing fast. Those who act now will be the ones giving orders, rather than receiving pink slips. Comment below what's your biggest fear about AI and your career. I'll personally respond with tailored advice for your specific situation. The future belongs to those who prepare for it today.